Right then, let's get straight into it. So, my name's Dave Johnson, I'm from England in the UK. That's the introduction over and done with. So I'm super pumped to share this with you, okay? I've gone all in with this and my downline are absolutely crushing it. So that's why I want to share it with you, okay? If you've clicked on a link that sends you to a free gift, that'll be in the bottom of the email that I've just sent you. So, now, what have I got for you today? You will be blown away. This will blow your socks off, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my screen and I'll explain it to you there. I'm super pumped to share this with you, okay? People are absolutely crushing this and I want to help you also do the same, okay? So what I'm going to offer you today is the best deal I can possibly do. Not many people do what I'm doing. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm earning commissions on a daily basis, and then I'm going to help you do the same, and I'm not going to charge you anything, okay? All you will have to pay for is that one link that I use, okay? It's $7, folks. $7. One-time payment, no contract, nothing else, just $7. You can have this link that I use to make these sort of commissions, what my friends, my downline are earning, okay? You see these commissions here, high ticket commissions. You can earn low ticket commissions. Once you've made one sale, you've got your $7 back. Anything after that is pure profit. $7 every sale you make on the front end. 100% commission. Okay, so we'll get into the bonuses now. What you're going to get with this $7 link. So just here is my Commission Climbers Facebook group. This is where I'm going to help you and keep you on the right track and get you earning those daily commissions, alright? Now you might think, well Dave, yeah, that's alright, why are you going to show up every day and do this for nothing? Because as I went through the program, I found out I could make 200% commissions on second tier, which means that if you made a sale, you got $7 and I got $14, okay? There's nothing out there on the planet that does this. So I'm going to help you get to that stage, alright? So you're earning as big a commissions as you can, alright? So there's various methods. We'll go through that in a little while. So my second bonus, I have a unique image bundle here, just like these images here. I've got probably 100 of these images you can use for anything you like. They are mine, I've made them myself with AI. So that's an astonishing value of 47 bucks because it took me time to make these. So I'm going to throw those in for you. And then also we have Traffic Builder System with bonuses. That alone, you can have this free. All you've got to do is copy the free today and put it in the coupon and you won't pay a penny for that. Getting on to the Mega Link Bonus 4, I've managed to get you a free bonus membership in the Traffic Generation Club. That alone is worth $97. Bonus 5 is the Ultimate Traffic Planner, and this will tell you how to attract targeted traffic and visitors who are interested in what you're selling. Bonus number 6, that's where we are, number 6. The Traffic Mastery Cheat Sheet. Okay, you can download that, have a look round. It's quite amazing what information you'll get off there if you're unsure of anything. Now the final bonus is my mega bonus 1 year free membership. Now you can get all sorts of scripts, softwares, MP3s. You can get content, ebooks, templates, softwares, all sorts from there. Okay, I'm throwing that in. So there's a quick preview. The timer below is how long you've got left to claim all these bonuses. I'm sorry I've got to do that, but I've got to make sure that it's people who want to work with me. Once you've done it, it's locked in. You won't have to pay another penny, but you will get all these bonuses. So this has got My bonuses alone have got a combined value of over $1,000, and all you're paying is to get those bonuses $7. You'll get the link that I use. You will get some bonuses that's included with that as well. There is some software in that you get to keep 100% free. There's some awesome training on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, things like that, okay? And we will tell you step by step how to start off with this program. And then also you've got my added bonus, you've got me for however long you want me for. Okay folks, so you've got until that timer runs out to claim all my bonuses. I will deliver them in 24 hours upon purchase. Alright folks, see you on the other side. Let's get crushing it. I'm super pumped for this, so get started now